G'day guys, in today's video I wanted to show you all an area that you absolutely need to make sure that you're maintaining, and that is the inside of the windshield seal here, which is of course doubling up as the upper door seal area. Lots of dirt, debris, leaves, all sorts of things from over the years get caught underneath here and can start to act as a moisture trap, which of course, as we know, moisture starts to act as a bit of a rust risk. And of course, once we get some rust starting here, we're going to get all sorts of issues with the water, from rain, and when we're washing our cars, leaking into the pillar area, going into the cabin. We have all sorts of electronics relays and fuse box, everything here. So you really want to make sure that you're, very simply guys, going and really servicing this area and keeping it clean. As you can see, I've got a dust brush at the ready. Let me just set you guys down and just take you through what's involved. Really, there isn't much. This seal area here just essentially lifts outward like that, and as we can already see, I haven't actually done this driver's side yet, but there is a bunch of dirt, debris, twigs, leaves, all sorts of crap. Just be careful, you may end up even having spiders and things there, guys. So just really be careful. But as simply as just every couple of weeks, I would say, dusting off all the dirt and debris that is starting to build up, and you're going to avoid a lot of rust issues along this seal area. As we can already see, I've got some rust starting here, and again, it's hidden. And if we continue peeling back the layers, we can really start to see, especially this upper corner section usually is a culprit for lots of build-up. So please take the opportunity, guys, to give this area a service, a clean, and reinstalling is very simple. It just pushes straight back on. Of course, for the people that don't really care about the cars, if it's just something to get you around A to B and you bought it very, very cheaply like me, I guess it doesn't really matter. It's not really going to be something that'll show up in perhaps our lifetime, but for avoiding the issues of water leaking into the actual cabin, apart from being smelly and moldy, also giving us issues of water shorting electronics and things that are very close by under the dash. But for those that really are babying their cars, wanting to keep them in good nick, just make sure that you're not forgetting to do the door seals, front and back. And just like to show you all that, just using a very simple dust brush here, we can get rid of all the crap that's been accumulating. Give it a clean. You may even want to just take your time, but just for the purpose of this video, I'd like to just show you all how this reinstalls back, just making sure we're in frame. Very good. I'll just bring you guys a little closer even. Very good. And you want to make sure that this far section, which is a bit of a channel that goes under the guard, goes in first. And once that's in, I'll see if I can make sure you guys can see. Just lift up the camera here for you guys. So once you start off with that corner edge going underneath the guard area, then this section here just very simply seals back down again. We get that there like that. Beautiful. It's just one of those ones that just pushes straight downward onto the actual frame. Beautiful. So simply as that, guys, with not very much time. What I do, guys, I just leave my dust brush just to the side of the seat, and every so often, whenever we get dust and not dust, but spider webs on the side mirrors, I'll dust off those spider webs, and at the same time just go through and get rid of all the crap that's building up underneath. So awesome, guys. Just more of a preventive maintenance video today, but I just hope that helps for anyone that's really wanting to baby their cars and look after it for many years to come. Beautiful. Let me know in the comments, guys, what kind of goodies that you find. If it's just dirt and debris, whatever. But if you find something interesting, let us know. Thanks, guys. And on this channel, as always, before we finish the video, we always flick something for luck. So today, let's go flick this corner section of the seal for luck. Beautiful. Alrighty. So guys, I hope this video helped. If it's really sparked an interest in yourself going to actually have a look at yours, let me know. Again, I'd like to always hear if my videos help people out there. So Nice. Alright guys, cheers, and catch us on the next one.